Hey, welcome to J&J's Maintenance some more. I'm going to do a little bit of venison jerky today. I hope you like the video, and if you do, please hit the like button, turn on notifications for some of our other content if you would, and share it around if you think it'll help somebody out. So here's what we're doing. We got about 3 pounds of jerky here. It's been in the cure for just a little bit under 24 hours. We're going to let it go until that it's actually been at least 24 hours in the cure. It's I got this variety pack of the High Mountain seasoning jerky, which I'm not doing this for advertisement. I happen to know the folks, and I happen to love their seasonings and all their different kits. So once this hits the 24-hour mark, I put these toothpicks through it. I'm going to hang it on these racks and follow the directions. Now, it says that they recommend that it be sliced a 1/4 inch thick. Best way to do that is to get this slicer right, a meat slicer, which I've got this apart now, cleaned up. But anyways, these are 1/4 inch strips. It's got a good set of directions for either muscle meat or burger meat. So anyways, as soon as we get this hung on the racks, we'll be back. Alright, so we've had this in the cure for 24 hours. Now we've got them down here. If you can see, I have them on toothpicks hanging straight down. Alright, to get them up in the air and away from everything so they're not touching each other and stuff. I've got the oven set at 200. I have it on convection bake so that the fan's blowing. And then the directions say you close the door. Now, it says to put a gap in it, and I'm gonna let these go for the first 2 hours without the gap in the door, because with the convection fan going, it's blowing air, and I'm getting a lot of circulation out the top of the oven without the door being cracked. So I'm going to try it that way for a little while. I'll take a look at it, and then a little bit later on, when they're all done, I'll let you know how they turned out, and we'll get a little video on it. And there we go. It's after just about 2 hours in the oven, and it looks and tastes delicious. If you have yourself some venison, you can do beef, you can do duck, anything. Give it a try, because it's really delicious.